49 days after, 2 recess, 1 postponement, 20 minutes meeting with Oga Presido, and finally, it be like say the case don't close. My name na Ezuku Chukwudi. Welcome to As E Dey Hot on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV Star Times channel 195. As usual, you know, so I know they alone inside studio. I there with my brother and one special guest. When Sabi well as it concern politic issue, As E Dey Hot.
Yes, good morning, our beautiful, wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. We don't carry that same program. That Ogbonge program where they call As E Dey Hot. Do it in common at the mouth. That political program where they sunshine out activities we get to do with politics, at least for that same level, that same grassroots level, we now go understand. We go open our phone line as well for that to also chukma for any matters, because a lot of matters, a lot of gist they on ground we will talk about today. It plenty die. So we go drop and down for that to also chukma, to also share our own contribute in Suram. So that I make we know as we move forward for Obodo Nigeria. Yes, my name never still change. My name na Nkubi, and this na As E Dey Hot.
I've been drop hint, say we get Ogbonge visitor inside our studio. And it's very, very important. Say, make I clear my throat before I do the introduction, because you know they waka anyhow. And because of say we invite her and I make her carry in 2 legs, enter inside our studio. I go clear my throat, Muna no vex. The guest what we get na Oga Rhodes. Not be anyhow name. Oga Rhodes Gbadebo. Oga Rhodes Gbadebo na young Nigerian. When we say he get plenty idea and he don't chook am into so many things when they bring big things enter inside this our Obodo Nigeria. Oga Rhodes Gbadebo, Chukudi. Welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Chukudi, you're welcome. Chukudi, I mean, Rose na it be like man.
I know say Rose, Rhodes.
And call and finish now. What is Rhodes? Anybody in the time in Nigeria, you go feel say maybe na woman be the person will be the Ogbonge guy.
No.
Rose. Call am Rose Vivor. I mean, Rose Vivor, Gbadebo Rose Vivor. That is na his name be that. Not just shorten now. Why is shortening his name?
Make we no call the one we go call make people they bite their tongue.
No, people go feel call Gbadebo.
Anybody wey no fit understand Rhodes, no need to come put the Vivor for the back. They don't call am Rhodes.
Anyway, Oga Gbadebo, you are welcome to this program As E Dey Hot.
Thank you very
much.
Yes,
we'll get trend, we'll get tradition, we'll get us to take do our own thing here. Okay. Because before we start to enter you politically, enter you from any angle, make it not be say maybe if we start to enter you, go to see maybe we they fight you. We don't carry you for mind. We go first shake you. Now I trend with that. Shake you at least. You're welcome.
Welcome, Oga Gbadebo. We no go waste time. Everybody knows, say, we've been talking here on Monday when we discuss things when happen over the weekend. Say, we get G, say, Oga President go meet with reps from the All Progressives Congress on that Monday. And we hear, say, they meet for 20 minutes. Thereafter, then go enter their own meeting for like 6 hours. Say, at the end, it be like, say, they no settle because the talk when we say the Dogara people talk, different from what the Gbajabia Mila people talk. But at the end, yesterday, we can say they don't put everything back and everything don't settle. At exactly 3:19 p.m. for the lower house, that is the small house of the National Assembly, where they're divided into 2 House of Senate and House of Representatives. Oga Yakubu Dogara, when be the Speaker of the House of Representatives, when we say he win election on June 9th, he can make an announcement. And the way when he make the announcement, he can show, say, the factions, that is Dogara people and Femi Gbajabia Mila people, they don't settle. Sake of say, they divide the thing 2-2, and it be like, say, the case don't close. Oga Femi Gbajabia Mila, we come from Lagos, and when they represent the constituency, the federal constituency for Surulere, they name him as the majority leader. That now, Southwest. Also, they can name Mr. Buba Jibrin from the North Central as a deputy majority leader. Mr. Al-Hassan Ada Doguwa, they name him as the chief whip, and he come from the Northwest, and the deputy chief whip now, Mr. Pali Iriase, and he come from the South. Basically, the way when this equation there, it be like say the Southeast, their hand no reach, because the deputy speaker na from southwest and the majority leader na from southwest. But Nigerians, they talk say, whether you come from this place or you come from that other place, so long as say you carry good thing for Nigerians for mind and you do your work well, na wetin we want be that. Quickly, Oga Gbadebo, you don't see the way when this equation don't balance now. You think say this case don't close, abi somehow we go still see monkey hand inside the soup. Because the reason why I ask you this thing, because the APC people, they get one history, and that history na history of, I don't go call them unforgiving spirit, but if it go take 49 days for brothers to settle quarrel between themselves, wetin go happen if outsider come into the equation? Nkubi, I didn't ask you. Now Oga Gbadebo I ask, and don't look at me like that. I know they fear you.
It be like say they don't settle.
It be like say, thank you for talking. It be like say, that's the key word. It be like.
And you know, say these people, they don't know themselves like that before. They just come together for this change where we want for Nigeria.
Thank you.
So you go first find yourself. You go find your level, and you go take some time before that one go happen. So may we give them some time. You know, sometimes you go through hard matter before you become strong together. And I believe that now waiting they happen for APC.
Okay. But we also they aware, because he don't feel say he don't talk, they attack me. But we also they aware say, but make I know if it go to, because people they even cause this biggie, where they cause and now from one particular end, now they come from. Where me and you know, the one particular end, I know go on mention one particular place, now they come from. Now they come they feel say they're too smart, come they do this thing. But make we look at with the intervention of Oga Muhammad Buhari, we come bring to an end to this issue. What it is say, how it is say we can see the relationship between Oga Presido and the House and the National Assembly, because for him to intervene, now to tell you say maybe he get some kind of strong level, in strong way. Okay, but we can talk about which kind of relationship we could anticipate now from the House of Assembly and then the Presido himself.
Oga Presido is the chairman of the party now. Like when your papa talk for house, everybody supposed to stand.
But you get some people, I don't think say they go here. Some people, papa talk or you no talk. I don't think say they go here. Okay. I don't call name. I just talk my own.
Let them answer the question now.
Okay.
You know, that's why, you know, when children, they make noise for house, no be every time father go talk. After some time, when the noise is not too much, you go talk. The thing we say, waiting go happen when that papa talk.
Thank you very
much.
As long as all the children stand, you know, stop the noise where they make, then everything is okay in the house. If as papa talk, children they jump out the house, continue their nonsense, then we did for big wahala.
Okay, this is where you talk make plenty sense, because this analogy where you use about papa and children, because you know somehow children when we say for 49 days, then they make noise. Their papa talk.
Their papa never talk. Their papa go walk.
Nkubi, you are a liar.
No, their papa go.
You are a liar.
Their papa go walk.
You are a liar.
But before their papa go walk, and papa don't
their papa don't talk saying go walk with anybody.
Papa don't talk saying
their papa don't talk saying make they don't go now. Their papa don't talk saying make they allow process.
Papa make sure say you share this food equally. I no want make her come back on here say now they fight over this food. Papa can't talk, come out. Cause say make sure say make
hold on. We get different papa. We get papa. We can't get papa.
Chukudi will let them talk.
We get papa. We can't get papa.
The papa can't come on. Go.
Who is the real papa? Shey na the papa wey dey Lagos. And the papa wey dey Aso Rock.
He come back.
Thank you very much.
The papa go walk, come back.
No, we forget papa.
Talk, make you say no can happen. Because
which of the papa? Which of the papa?
Fight stop. What you talk about?
Which of the papa? Is it papa or papa? Because the way when it's in there, we get papa. You know when we say everybody know we can't get papa. You know when we say that from Lagos it come from. You say waiting.
How many papa you get?
Thank you very much. I know I fight for 49 days. No, you didn't ask me. I fight for 49 days. So I know my papa.
How many papa you get?
I go quote Bible because of this guy. The Bible talk and say, my sheep hear my voice.
And they follow.
Thank you very much. Now you even complete that. I don't want even complete that.
For your mind, they quote Bible for me.
Why don't quote Bible?
They give me spiritual mood.
I mean, when they sit down for near choir, they hear ministration from altar and from choir side. Now you take me place.
Respect ourselves, we get.
Now you go respect yourself.
Me carry the matter go. Yes, right about now we don't see. They don't settle their differences. And then one also believes, say, right about now, with these differences where they don't settle, what will be those and wetin be those developments wey we would anticipate since they don't promise us say say before now they don't make Nigeria spirit dey high say yes once they come with action once they come with a lot of different a lot of changes you understand so right about now they don't settle this matter wetin be those things where you think say the government suppose first address quickly as possible where they eat us as a nation where they chop us wetin be those things where if you say we fit address quickly.
Make them address the Boko Haram matter because that na serious matter. Our people just dey die anyhow for there like chicken, you know. And it good as our president don't already, you know, appoint some very good military people. When you see them, they don't get pot belly, you know.
They fit now. Those of us won't get military background. If you look me at Nkubi, you go know where the track of Nkubi even know. You understand? We dey talk of people when we say they fit, when we say they gather intelligence, when we use tackle this Boko Haram.
Exactly.
You do 500 press up.
500 press up.
Something wey me they do.
500 even small. Add 20 for the back of 500.
Hey. Okay, sir.
You see how people they lie to Nigerians.
No be press
up. A very fallacious statement.
No be press up.
Me and you press up.
No be press up. Nkubi, if you do 20, if you fit do 20 press up.
Because we respect ourselves, we get.
No, they talk say make we respect yourself. Me gongo be respect. Ogagbade, but from the small house, make we enter the big house, the House of Senate. And we hear gist yesterday say, one Senate East, when he name Senator Samuel Enanyang, say he pass motion. They talk say na section 42 and 52 of the Senate Standing Order 2015. The motion na say they don't check am say e be like say security people they disturb the Senate and you know maybe their family members they harass them, they intimidate them somehow and some kind political hallelujah boys if I use the word of Honorable Patrick Obayagbon say those ones that they use the media to make am look like say the Senate no ready for business make them they move Nigeria forward say they come talk say okay they won't show the whole world now they won't show people when they say they know they support the Senate we won't support the Senate say all of them dey the back of Oga Senate President 82 people 81 plus himself when we say they push the motion come and come say them back Senate President Bukola Saraki them back Deputy Senate President Ike Ekweremadu. I raise my voice because I want to make somebody hear as I call the name because that name, you know, he get the way only water they pepper bad people. Now so that name they pepper somebody when they here now. Because the person no one make that person occupy that position, even though the Senate people now then vote for them. Senator Ike Ekweremadu, they say them back up and they come back all the other things when we say the Senate President talk say okay, you occupy this position, occupy this position. Say they allow them work. Now we don't see say the lower house don't settle. We won't go this upper house now. So people don't come bring talk say for party to do after 49 days come see say Femi Gbajabiamila wey lose election the position when they say they wan make him dey he enter say that House of Senate say Ike Ekweremadu in time e don almost expire wetin you think of this situation you no think say this APC I just dey you know I just dey talk make them these people they need to calm down because the way
now I don't know how Senate president or Senate leader go get assistance with the another party. Me, I never see that kind of
but
thing.
If now so we could take them back to during the era of Shagari when this thing Uwezuoki was made the Speaker of the House and he come from the minority party.
Okay.
You understand?
That's a good thing.
No, when we even say minority, not be minority per se.
But still a minority. As long as they get a leading party.
We get ruling party, party when they occupy the center. You know, so that time we get different, now 5 major political parties that we get at that time. So it go dey very, very difficult for one person like that to take all the opposition. So you get some people slightly to join these people. Like now, we get all the House of Senate. If you know be PDP, you be APC. Even though for the presidential election, now 14 people, now 14 parties now in contest. But the only thing then now only these 2 parties now they exist. So if you no wrong go meet PDP, who you want wrong go meet.
Exactly.
Now the question, because who could be in change that question? No, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. No. Never you tell me that.
Don't tell me that. Don't
I know my question will expire before you come and ask your own question. See, I remember the question when I asked. The question when I asked, they say, Some people don't swear. I go talk this thing. Say they go come out Ike Ekweremadu. He come on now, they go 1979. They talk say during the government of Shagari, who could be? They elect Ike Ekweremadu as deputy senate president. For some people don't talk say why PDP go hijack. Even the president even talk himself. Say if like the PDP won't hijack this thing. And they don't plan on day. I don't say plan on day to come out. Tell them, tell them. And now you know say now you be the guest. Because like say you know they here. I know what I don't do
okay,
now. Tell them, say when they take am easy.
If the talk say how our opposition or country, I want make you finish that statement. Make I know as I go so enter you.
Why you not allow finish first?
Finish.
Why you not allow finish first before you come enter them?
Hold on.
The one we concern
No, this guy.
Talk.
You don't understand.
the one we concern me, we say make everybody face their front.
Thank you very much.
Make police do their own investigation.
Thank you very
May
much.
we see what's in they talk.
Thank you.
May Senate
Do their own as
do
well.
their own, carry and go.
Thank you very much.
If police can't talk, say the document is forged, then you go court now. Abi? In the meantime, make Senate carry, face the thing where we need to do for Nigeria.
Thank you very much.
But with this strong backup, and how many senators we get for us? 130 something, if I'm not wrong.
109.
109.
And
okay.
82 don't give am support.
Okay. Out of 109, 82. 82 don't give am support.
Now,
From both
80%.
parties.
Say every other thing way they go do to make sure that they remove and go work.
Who be the them? Talk the them. He won't confuse you. Talk the them.
The
Who could be
important thing,
question.
the important thing we say, the law we they use to the election is correct. As long as that's not the important thing where the police they investigate. So make them carry on their investigation. However, they won't sort that one out, their own business. But for now, make them carry, they do the
follow
work.
the due process.
Exactly.
Thank you
That's
very
not
much.
him be that.
Ogagbadebo, we be like say, as in, I like the way when we say, you know that you gentle, it they show for your face. Even Bible, I don't know why I just dey quote Bible because you know today na midweek service day. Bible talk and say by their fruit you shall know them. You understand?
Amen.
Now you be the first person when we say don't come this show when wear cap because he get one person when we say in the show always they wear cap and if he wear cap they always in blood they always they hot. Now you be the only person when we say this cap when you wear you just calm down they talk they answer all our questions. Even me I always even dey happy self. Me I can't bring this question come now.
Okay.
The biggest problem when they face us today, whether we like them or not now, insecurity because people they die every day and corruption when you be like say some people just decide say money won't belong to all of us then they take them. Now how you take things say as the Senate now and the House of Assembly everything don't cool now wetin be the first action when they go take to use put this insecurity matter say we even control them even though we say we stop am patapata we control them before I can't go corruption. Because that corruption, he follow for why our papa never named minister. Because he thought say, if he look round, say, when I look around me, say the people when they see. Thank you very much. Now you use your mouth talking, but answer my first question first.
The first thing for the matter is say, make them just approve all the security people where Buhari don't appoint. That's not the first thing. Make them give them green light. Make them start to do their work for Sambisa Forest.
Thank you.
As soon as that one they happen, I'm sure say Boko Haram to go fall back, you know, when we have good leaders in the military. So that's the most important thing. You know?
But yes, very, very important as well because insecurity as we talk. Now the only thing now one of the strongest thing where they hit us. But another thing where I know say where they hit us, Chukwu don't be mentioned, two outstanding thing. Corruption. See the matter I take to call them. Corruption and see the weight that is and if you see as I take talk, I can also know where the angle where they refer the question to and people don't do for power for the past 14 years.
No, you cannot say that.
For how many years? For the past how many years we don't dey in power? Corruption don't eat so deep into them. They can't feel say because of say we don't take over our power just barely under 2 months. They can't feel say now we be the people who corrupt. Means our government never even start. How you think say?
Tell her, it no be question they ask. You are making a statement. Ask your question.
I am coming towards the question.
Why you ask question, you don't give answer, you don't conclude.
Chukudi, when you ask your own question, I tackle you.
I ask my question like you ask your own.
Chukudi, it is
why you
my
want to say people waiting on the government 16 years? We know say corruption because of 2 months. You don't ask question, you don't give answer.
It is my question.
It's not your question.
It is my question.
It's not your question.
And these are the kind of questions that Jen Kwame can ask. So let me ask my question.
Okay, continue.
Okay, how you think say we go fit address the issue of corruption? Corruption. for this kind of Nigeria, because going by the visit to Oga Muhammad Buhari visit America, we talk say yes, we get over how many like 150 billion, like 150 billion this thing dollar way people don't steal, carry gold outside, gold stay. Okay, and we know these people will steal this money. How it is say we go fit address this matter? What are those necessary things where the government is supposed to put in place to make sure say corruption at least, even if not come out completely, at least make we reduce them, make we bring them down.
The first thing we say, make we know say we know money no dey come inside Nigeria again like that too because of this crude oil matter. You know, na serious matter. So we need to collect all our money wey dey obodo oyibo, wey dem don't go hide them. That's not the first thing. So it's good as President Buhari go America, go talk to them, go liaise with them, see how we go collect all our money.
We need to pause for now because make I allow you go drink water because you still need a lot of gingering to talk this thing because corruption matter, not be small matter. Make we do it. Make we quickly go for this break. When we come back, Oga Gbadebo will continue from where he stopped. Will they come?
Why you no go need?
Why they talk? And they come for break.
Because no be
break I'm going for.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.